What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Luigi from Super Mario Brothers new movie. So, Mario's brother. Poor Luigi always in Mario's shadow. I'm in a landscape page. Use a pencil and eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. We're going to start with his eye. So we just start with this little curved line just here. And then this goes up and around. Like so. Big blue eyes in here, but he's like looking down at us because his head is tilted back, right? So we go up and down again, curved line. And he's got a big shiny black circle inside there as well. Skinny circle, ellipse, right? So you can color this black. And if you want, you can leave like a highlight. Or you can add highlights afterwards with white paint. Top tip. Okay, so his nose, his head is kind of turned away and he's like pointing his finger up at his hat, right? So his nose will go this way. So we'll go up and around. Big round nose, right? Like so. You could close it off if you want or leave it open. It's up to you. It's your drawing. I'll leave it open. I think that looks good open. So under there we got his mustache. So it goes into these sort of spikes, and it's kind of like more natural in the movie. You know, it's kind of got hair and stuff on it. They kind of went for a more realistic sort of hair look on the mustaches. And then here as well, it just kind of goes around here then. This one's smaller than this one because it's turned away from us. His other eye just behind his nose, so it's hidden. So it goes up and down from behind the nose. Like so. And we can just see a little bit of his blue eye in behind. And the black. Like so, and you could leave a white highlight just on top as well. So the rest of his face, so it curves around here and it goes underneath his hat, right? So this is like his forehead. Curves around like this. Okay. And its hat then, right, curves out just from here and goes down around, right? So we go all the way. Like so. And then in under this shape, we have his eyebrows, right? So we got like an eyebrow here. And then an eyebrow here. So he's got some hair sticking down on his face here. And again, they kind of go kind of realistic with it. So they have these kind of hair spikes. Like so, and then the hat continues down this way. His face then and his mouth, right? So the shape for his face just curves around this way. He's got a chin. Comes around. Goes up this way, and we can see his mouth, right? So he just got a smiling mouth just here. And remember, your mouth ends underneath your eye, okay? Usually, so like underneath the eye there. And his ear sticks out here. Big round ear. No offense, Luigi. And then he has ear lines inside. It's like a big letter C. And then this curves around. And then some ears in there. And the ear joins his neck, which goes down that way. And he just has a few little bits of hair that stick out back here. And he's got a curly hair, so like so. So then the rest of his hat. So we go out from the ear all the way around to the front, and this line is the front of the green of his cap, right? So it goes around again down this way, and then he has a bit of a line that curves around where the peak of the hat joins the bumpy part. And then he has L written on his head in a white circle. So it comes around like this. It's a bit behind this part. And then L, capital L. I think the white circle has an extra line going around it as well. Like so. Okay, we'll do his body and then the hand that is like lifting up his hat. We might see a little bit of hair underneath his hat as well. But we'll just get his body done first, right? So he has blue dungarees like Mario, so it goes out around this way. One of them. And he's got a gold button here. And then this goes down like so. And then he has the collar of his shirt in there. And then the shirt itself there. So those bits that sort of stick down on the shirt. And this goes down behind his blue dungarees. Comes across that way. And then we have the other blue strap with a gold button. And then his elbow sort of sticks out here. And then his blue dungarees goes down that way. And then his shoulder goes there. He also has a pocket coming along this way. Oh, and there's some buttons on his shirt. Another line on the edge. Okay, so his other hand where we can see the glove and the fingers, right? So we'll go out for his shoulder, kind of just curves up this way. And then the other arm, the other side of the arm goes up this way. You can see an armpit line there. So then his big white glove. So it's got like a white cuff here. And then his finger goes all the way up to his hat, right underneath. Curves around. So his finger's like pushing up his hat, right? So it's touching it there. His thumb comes around like so. And then 3 more fingers. 1. This one just under here a little bit. 2. 3. And then the side of his hand just goes down that way. Just these extra sort of hand lines inside. And because it's a glove, he has these sort of stitching and seams that go sort of around like this. And then just the underneath of his hat, just here. And I think we can see some hair, right? So I'm going to just add like some hair in there. Just some of his brown hair. Like so. Right, I think that's everything. That's how to draw Luigi from Super Mario Brothers. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.